Now let's fix things down here. Look, I'm rounding it off here. I cut 3 parts, right? I put one inside the other, so it'll be sturdier. I cut a 15-centimeter circle, and we're going to make a yo-yo. I'm going to baste all the way around here. Down and up, down and up. I've basted everything. Now let's put the egg carton inside. Some places call it an egg tray, right? See? I pull it. Look how nice it already turned out, guys. See, it's already turned into the doll's body, huh? I'm going to adjust this basting here. Squeeze it tight, just like that, and make a little stitch to finish it off. And then... To make the doll's arms, I cut 16 cmar cotton cord, tied a knot at each end, and for the legs, I did the same thing with 23 cm cord. Let's fold it in half here. I'm going to put a little bit of glue here. Glue here, look. For the legs, it's the same thing. Fold it in half here. Put a little bit of glue. And let's fix it here under the doll's body. Look. I cut an 8-centimeter circle. I'm going to make a yo-yo to finish off the bottom part of the doll. Look. I made the yo-yo and I'm going to finish it off up here. I won't finish it off down there because I don't want anything to show underneath. Look, I want everything to look nice here. We're going to glue this yo-yo here to make it look nicer. I'll add some glue here in the center. Now you just need to keep applying glue here like this. Look, right on the edge. Look. Keep applying the glue and pressing it down. Don't let the hot glue show, guys. What really adds a lot of value to craft work is when it's made from recycled materials, right? Whatever you guys are going to make, recycling is really beautiful. But if the work is well done, the recycled piece will have even more value. Recycled crafts have more value when everything is finished nicely. When everything looks nice, look, the care you put in makes the recycled work even more beautiful. I cut another 9-centimeter circle, made another yo-yo, and I'm going to put it on top. Look, a little bit of glue here on the edges, and here in the middle too. Now, we're going to center it here, look, as neatly as possible, okay? To make the head, I cut a 7-centimeter circle. I'm going to do a running stitch all the way around here, and we're going to make a yo-yo. Everyone, have you already subscribed to the channel? Subscribe, click on the little bell. That way every time I upload a video, YouTube will let you know. It will send you a notification. Like this video, share it. That way you're helping the channel grow. Share this video in your craft WhatsApp groups. Share this video with your crafter friend who likes recycling. With that friend who thinks she can't make a little doll, she'll find out in this video that it's possible to make a little doll in an easy, simple way, and she'll fall in love with the art. Look, I filled it up a lot here with stuffing, but I'm going to leave a little hole open here so if we need to, we can add more to make the head really round. After we stuff it, if we want the head to be even rounder, we come here with the stuffing and add it to the spots that need more filling until the doll's head is the way you want it. The rounder it is, the prettier it looks. For the next step, I cut 20 strands of yarn, each 15 centimeters long, and tied them here in the middle. Now we put it here, look, on the doll's head. I'm going to place it first, right, before I put the hot glue on. Look, this is where I want it, so that's good. I'm going to put a little bit of glue here on the edge, like this. And then I'll fix this hair here like this. I do it gently, with patience, and it will work out. Come over to this side. Take a little bit of hair here, see? I do the same thing. I put a little bit of glue. And I fix the hair here. Now we have to glue this hair back here. Look. Let's pull it up here. Put the glue here, look, all over the head. And then fix the hair here to cover everything, okay? Nothing ugly can show. That's what I said. The finishing touches matter a lot. The more polished it is, right? The more everything has to look nice. No, there's no problem with it being recycled. Recycled crafts have a lot of value. But everything has to be well done. Then we fix the hair back here. You can even use a brush, right, if you want, or a comb to make everything neat. Fix it here in the front too. Make everything look nice. You can even ask someone there to help you tie this knot here. Look. So, cut the hair, fix it up. To make the bangs, I'm going to wrap it around my finger 6 times. I tie it, cut the ends, and the bangs are ready. The bangs, you guys, make all the difference. The doll looks so much prettier. I'm going to tie a knot here in the little scrap. The scrap will turn into a bow, but you can make a bow there, see? Really beautiful, really wonderful, just the way you want it, right? Look, the little scrap turns into a bow. Now we put, look, a little bit of glue here. Press it on top of the doll's body and wait for it to dry. Center it properly, then press it and wait for it to dry so it doesn't look bad, guys. You have to wait patiently. So beautiful, right? Look, one more beautiful than the next. Guys, it's amazing how a milk carton that was going to be thrown away and fabric scraps can be turned into such a beautiful little doll. If you liked this video, like, share, and leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Wishing you health and peace.